Alright, so we've been having some issues with our old shower head, so we decided to replace it with this one. Now, we also have some low water pressure in our house. This actually helped increase the water pressure through here and through the handle piece as well. Now, the thing that I like about this is you've got your two pieces and you can control it up here at the top, which basically you're going to spin this if you want it to come out of there, or spin it up if you want it to come out of here. And you might be thinking, this looks a little bit different from the photos. This gooseneck is actually supposed to be upside down, because if you're going to be using this as a rainfall shower, then this needs to be kind of flat, which would be up the other way. But I just like installing it this way because 99% of the time I'm just using the water coming straight diagonal out like that. And also I feel like this just has less pressure up here on this neck piece and is like more likely not to break or get damaged. It's also going to come with this piece right here, which you can attach your shower handle to. And this shower head will also have a button up here on the top, which you can switch between the main shower head right here, and there's a piece up top that's going to be nice and sharp. So let me go ahead and turn it on and I'll show you kind of what it's like. So there you can see that is the first mode. Now let me show you this piece up on the top. This is going to be really sharp. If I go like that, you could use that to actually clean your bathroom or your shower, which is really nice. It also is going to have different modes on it as well. So if I click this over, you can see that it's going to switch to different types of modes. So just depending on which one you like best. Now you can use them both at the same time. So you just push this right into the middle and you'll see that both of them are working. But if we wanted to just use the main shower head like that, we could just switch it up to the top and this one will turn off. As you can see, the water pressure is great coming out of here, and honestly, I'm so glad that we upgraded. Now we just need to upgrade our handle in here and everything will match. So if you're looking for a really good shower head, something that's got a lot of different features to it and looks great in the bathroom, then I would definitely recommend picking this one.